Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, and I'm also known as Scrapbooking Mama. A couple of weeks ago, I got a haul from Kokorosa Studios, and I want to share with you a tutorial on what I'm going to be doing with these die cuts. The first one that I'm going to be using for my first tutorial is going to be the Cathedral window that also has the two doves with it. These pieces are held together by thin pieces of metal. So you just break those off, and once you do that, you get your piece out and put it on whatever color cardstock you want. And I used the black one for the frame of the window. And then I cut out two white doves. The next thing that I'm going to do is take a sheet of white paper, and I'm going to be taking some Distress Oxides colors to it. Now you can use whatever color you want, but these are the colors that I felt like would be really pretty in the window. All I used was broken china, picked raspberry, and fossilized amber. Those are the colors that I used. Just fill in all the white spots as much as you can. So the next thing I did is I took a acetate sheet, which you can see in the back there, and I cut it or put it into the die cut machine with the Cathedral. And now you can't see it there, but that's what I did. And then I went ahead and I took my frame of my black window and I adhered it to the acetate, which was adhered to the colored background. The next thing that I did is I took a piece of cardstock, a gold foiled kind, and I stamped on the inside of the card. But I realized then that my ink wasn't on there very good. So I took another sheet of white paper, and I just made sure that I had plenty of ink on it that time. And I placed it onto that extra piece of white cardstock. But the next thing that I did is I went ahead and used a shaped die cut to cut out that sentiment and place it over the top of the sentiment inside the card. As you can see here, I added some edging to that shaped sentiment die piece, and I thought it would look a lot better than just to put it on there without any type of decoration on top of it. So that way I just covered up that mistake. So I just used a regular ATG and placed it on top of it, and then I had my inside done. So the next thing I'm going to do is place my window on top of the card and on the card front, and then I decided to go ahead and use some 3D foam adhesives to the bottom of the card, or the bottom of the window, and on the bottom of the birds, the doves. That way it gave it even more dimension. And now we have a finished card with some added gems. So be sure you check out the description box below for the links to the discount code or the code itself and to the product that I used in this video. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.